The apprenticeship was one of the best decisions that I've made. It allowed me to gain a new qualification, practically immerse myself in the roles that I was learning, and I was still able to kind of like support my family, earn a wage. I probably would never have considered undertaking an apprenticeship before, so yeah, I'm now a big advocate of apprenticeships as a way of being able to upskill yourself. So one of the major highlights of the apprenticeship, I think, was the interaction design placement. For me in particular, I kind of went into that placement with a little bit of trepidation. I was worried about it being really techy and really creative, and I thought maybe I didn't have those skills to kind of be able to undertake it fully. But Liam was just a fantastic teacher, and he really did put me at ease. He showed me how you could be creative. He showed me how to kind of like do little tweaks and things that would pull out your creative kind of side. And by the end of it, I'd created a clickable prototype in Figma. It was quite low fidelity, but I was really proud of what I'd actually achieved by the end of the placement. Now I've graduated, I'm really hoping to kind of like embed myself within the squads that we have at CDPS to gain some kind of practical hands-on experience and kind of flex those little UCD muscles that we've kind of grown through the apprenticeship. At the moment, I'm doing some user research, which I'm really enjoying, but I'm hoping that I can kind of grow some skills within the other areas as well, especially content design, because it was one of the first placements that we did, and I feel like it would be really good to go back to it and practice those skills that perhaps are a little less refined than the ones that I've learned more recently.